Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can model this AirPods. So let's begin together. I'm going to leave this image here so you can see the process while I'm modeling. So first, what I'm going to do is go to the power surfacing menu and create a box. Press on the display sub-D mesh tool and hit OK. So at first, I'm going to go to the box mode and I'm going to take this face here and just swap it a little, give a little angle here, and do the same here. Okay, let me just go a little more, and I'm gonna go hit the switch to the element mode. I'm gonna select this one and scale a little. So let's go to the sub-D mode and you can see something like that. So if you looked at the image here, you're going to see it. Let's say this is the back. I'm gonna just move a little down again and maybe crease this face a little. Okay, and this one a little also. And let me just move this upward here, give a little angle. So it started to take the shape. Let me just uncrease this, move it up a little. So we just started to get similar to the AirPods shape. So the second step is I'm going to subdivide this one. And let's say this is the back of the AirPods. So I'm going to select these four faces and bevel, holding the A key, extrude, and extrude again. Scale a little, something like that. I'm going to rotate it a little and then extrude again. Now I'm going to select the orientation to be coordinate system to the world and raise this 100. Alright, so let me just make it flat to the earth or to the bottom of it and get me the back view, go down and a little, so it's not very tall, so I'm gonna just stop at here. As you're gonna see here, it's just not that tall. And I'm going to take this one and we're gonna try to make this one looks vertical. Okay, so maybe we just don't need this edge, so I'm gonna just remove it, erase it. Okay, let me add a backup edge here and selected, make them flat. You can right click also on this loop and press on the flatten, so it's going to give you a nice edge loop. Now for here, we just started to take the airball shape. We just need to make it a little bit slender, so I'm going to select these four faces and try to widen them a little. Okay, so if you just go here, you're gonna see it started to take a slender curve, slender look from here also. Or we can just take these four faces a little bit from here and give it more slender shape. Okay, so far so good. Now if you look at this side, you can see it's have a cut. So let me show you how we can do this cut here. So I'm going to select these four faces and I'm going to bevel them, give it a crease, bevel again, give it a crease again, and move inward. So as you see, it's just cut it a little bit. And you have just this, you can add some edge loop here to give you that hard creased edge. Okay, now I'm going to select these four faces with the soft selection tool and increase it a little and make it smaller, then decrease it, increase it a little, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to select this edges and try to keep this tangent look. And here also select these edges and like that. So it's a little bit flat. Now I'm gonna select these four faces and small this a little. So if you looked at here, you're gonna see it's just similar now to it. You can just take these without the soft selection and scale up a little, so it gives me this look, and this edge, and can scale it a little like that, so it's gonna give me this bump here. With the constrained move, let's just move this a little inside. Okay, what about creasing this little? And let me just scale this a little bit here. Now connect these together like that. Oops, let me just connect it correctly. Okay, so now you have this nice curvature. So I noticed that this is flat here, so what I'm gonna do is select all of these faces and hit flat. I may do a flat like this. Okay, and this crease here is just crease it more. And this is hard crease. Okay, now we can see that we don't have this tangency. It's just very big tangency here. Let's just small it a little. I may also give it a little crease, so it now looks amazing. With the constrained move, go to the box mode and try to move this stuff a little like that. Here also, give it good tangency like that. Okay, so this is for the board surfacing board. We can see if we just need to edit something, we can go edit anytime. So let's now convert. First go to the future. I'm gonna make the quality manual override, subdivision levels at 4, and we're gonna convert it. So this is the shape, we got it. Now I can go to the fillet and fillet this here. Let me see the fillets. It's just smaller than that. It's maybe 6 or yeah, it's maybe 7. 7 is good. Now it's all white. And here we can search for the metal. And it's black. Okay. What else we have here is this gutted board. So I'm gonna go here and get to this plan, hold the control key, get the plan here, and before I do anything, I just noticed that this face is a little bit flat, so I'm gonna give them a little flat face. Maybe with a little soft selection. And I just need to scale a little, so maybe something like that. Okay. Now the plan we just created, I'm gonna sketch on it and try to sketch the shape here. So it's apparently a slot, and it's like that, and let me just scale it a little and move it. Okay, so it's similar, looks like that. And the angle, let me just adjust it. All right. Okay, so this looks like the shape. I'm gonna insert a circle inside it, something like that. And what I'm gonna do now is offsetting this slot by maybe 0.2, 0.4, or maybe 3. Okay, and I'm going to extrude this until we just attach with this one, so maybe more. Okay, 11 looks good. And then this one here is going to be a black. It's matte black. So let me go to the plastic, textured. This one here also, it's going to be dark, maybe gloss black. This one here, this fillet is going to be chrome. So yes, we just now have this nice piece of AirPods. Let me change this color, maybe a red one, so it's gonna appear in better than that. I can grab a black color to the cut extrude, and okay, there is nothing else. Everything looks fantastic here. Maybe from the back here we got some sort of slot at the back. So if we just take this plan, hold the control, and then till here. Then I'm gonna try to sketch the slot again. Let me just make sure it's better. It's the exact same one at the other image. Okay, so this looks great. What I'm gonna do is now just exiting the sketch and go to the surface curve split line. So I'm gonna split this sketch on these faces and hit OK. So we got this thing here. Now it's just on the surface. Then go to opposite the surface, again opposite at 0 and hit OK. Then go to the segment, select this, maybe Let's try one first and see what we can get. I may need to signet cut this 1 millimeters, and 1 millimeters is just bigger than we need, so maybe 0.4. 0.2. Okay, looks great. Select this faces now, then go to this material. We just don't have the material of the speaker or this part at the bottom at the back, but I think it just looks similar now. We could take some material near to it. Go to this face, edit this material, and I can make it bigger. Now this full back and done. Now if you just focus it here, what you're gonna see is we just have this little curvature around here, around this section especially. So the best part here, I can go edit now and select this loop, then easily scale a little like this. So what it does is gave me the same curvature I need and with no affection on any other stuff. So if I just convert it again, you're gonna see it's just converted, no issues, and everything looks amazing. Let me turn on this perspective and stuff. Now you can edit this speaker. I can edit anything I want. Let's turn on the soft selection, scale a little, and control how much you need for the edit. So I need something like that. I may rotate it like that. I can play with it. So this looks great. Maybe I need to rotate it a little like this. And done. I think I'm done here. Now everything looks great. Let me just convert again, and everything's still great. And of course we have a solid body. I guess I just figured out we have a small cut at the top also. So let me just try to model it. Top plan, build control until here, then get this view, and I'm gonna add a slot here.